a 2017 Mustang GT. We are going to cut the mid muffler out, put an X pipe in, cut out the back mufflers, and put some power stick mufflers in there. Some nice black tips. I'll put it up in the air and show you what it looks like here in a second. There's the two mufflers there we cut out. They were in the back with the tips on there. It's the middle resonator, double inlet, double outlet. Started from right there. That's where the resonator was. Put the X pipe in there. Back here we put the sort of mufflers where we put the power sticks back here, the classic chambered power sticks. Should sound pretty good. Nice black tips on there. I'll start it up for you and see how it sounds. Alright, so let's hear this thing. It's got the power sticks on it, X pipe. By the way, this is Arizona. It's about 115 degrees outside right now. Alright, here we go. There you go, power sticks.